So welcome to my channel. In this lecture we are going to see about the balanced and unbalanced condition of a Wheatstone bridge. In the previous lecture I would have told that what is a balanced and unbalanced condition when this is the relation VA minus VB. So VA minus VB should be 0. The potential drop across this and potential drop across this when subtracted should be 0. In that case the bridge is called as a balanced condition, balanced bridge. Let's analyze whether this particular circuit is balanced or not. So coming back, V equal to VA minus VB, individual relation E into, what is E here? 70 into voltage drop across this 80 divided by 140 minus 70 into 40 by 160. So it's always better to have a calculator. This particular relation we have 40 and second set 70 into 40 divided by 160. This you have 17.5 volt. Unit is important. V equal to 40 minus 17.5, you get 22.5. So this gives two solutions. The voltage drop V equal to VA minus VB, the solution, the voltage drop across these two branches, and then it also says that this bridge is in a unbalanced condition since this voltage is not 0. So now how will you make it as a balanced bridge? What was the relation we saw in the last structure? R4 by R2 equal to R3 by R1. This was the expression we saw for a balanced bridge circuit. So what is R4 here? So now the question is, we want to change R4. We will take any resistor for making the bridges balanced one. We will take R4 here. What value should be fed here, or what value should be replaced here for the bridge to become balanced? Which means what value should be fed there as resistor for this VA minus VB should be equal to 0. So let's analyze. R4 into R3, R4 is equal to R3 into R2 by R1. R4 equal to, which is R3, this is 120 into R2, 80 divided by 60. 120 into 80 divided by 60. You get R4 equal to 160. So it means R4 is equal to 160 ohms will be the resistor value that should be replaced for making the Wheatstone bridge to be balanced. I am taking R4 here. You can take any resistor, change any resistance value for the bridge to become balanced. So now how will we check? We found R4, but how will we check whether the bridge is balanced or not? Going back again to the equation, V equal to 70 into 80 by 140 minus 70 into 160. Now the replaced resistor value is 160 ohm divided by 160 plus 120 equal to 280. V equal to 40. If you calculate this, you will get 70 into 160 divided by 280, you get 40. V equal to 0. So in this case the bridge is in a balanced condition or balanced state. So this is how you have to approach the wheatstone bridge for making it as a balanced from the unbalanced condition. Thank you.